20 DIY tips for heart attack prevention and recovery. 1. Quit smoking immediately. Why? Smoking damages arteries, raises blood pressure, and increases heart attack risk. Seek support to quit permanently. 2. Eat a heart-healthy diet. Why? Poor diet causes plaque buildup in arteries. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, like olive oil. 3. Exercise regularly, but gently. Why? Moderate activity strengthens the heart and lowers cholesterol. Start with walking 20 to 30 minutes/day, after doctor approval. 4. Take medications as prescribed. Why? Blood thinners, statins, and BP meds reduce risk of another heart attack. Do not stop meds without doctor's advice. 5. Monitor blood pressure at home. Why? High blood pressure is a major heart attack trigger. Check BP daily and record it. 6. Manage blood sugar if diabetic. Why? Diabetes increases heart disease risk. Control sugar levels with diet, meds, and monitoring. 7. Avoid processed and fried foods. Why? These increase LDL, bad cholesterol, and clog arteries. Cook fresh, low-oil meals at home. 8. Practice deep breathing and meditation. Why? Stress increases heart rate and BP. Try 10 minutes of deep breathing or mindfulness daily. 9. Drink plenty of water. Why? Hydration keeps blood flowing smoothly and reduces strain on the heart. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day unless fluid intake is restricted. 10. Limit salt intake. Why? Excess salt raises blood pressure. Avoid packaged foods and use herbs for flavoring. 11. Sleep 7 to 8 hours each night. Why? Poor sleep increases heart disease risk. Maintain a regular sleep schedule in a calm environment. 12. Avoid alcohol or keep it very limited. Why? Alcohol raises BP and triglycerides. Skip it completely or limit to doctor-approved levels. 13. Lose extra weight gradually. Why? Obesity increases strain on the heart. Target 1 to 2 pounds weight loss per week with diet and exercise. 14. Eat omega-3 rich foods. Why? Omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect the heart. Include walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, or oily fish like salmon. 15. Practice portion control. Why? Overeating can lead to obesity and heart strain. Use smaller plates and eat slowly. 16. Track cholesterol levels regularly. Why? High cholesterol causes artery blockage. Get tested every 6 to 12 months or as advised. 17. Avoid excessive caffeine. Why? Too much can raise BP and heart rate. Limit to 1 to 2 cups of tea/coffee a day. 18. Use natural herbal teas, like hibiscus or ginger. Why? Some herbal teas can help lower BP and cholesterol. Drink 1 cup daily, consult your doctor before use. 19. Stay mentally active and positive. Why? Depression and anxiety after heart attacks are common and can worsen health. Engage in hobbies, light reading, and connect with loved ones. 20. Create a heart health journal. Why? Tracking progress helps stay accountable. Note your BP, sugar, exercise, weight, meals, and how you feel daily.